Boom! What up? It's your favorite YouTuber, Maximus Rex. Subscribe or suffer! Welcome to a new video. Today's topic is zygo pushing, facial massage. Can it improve your looks or is it just for show? Let's find out. Can a facial massage reduce the amount of fat you store in your face or change the distribution of fat in your face? When we look at zygo pushing, for example, your cheekbone, zygomatic bone right here, if you push here, will it change the fat? The answer is no. There's no evidence that suggests that the amount of fat or the fat distribution is changed from a facial massage. But facial massages are an ancient technique. They have already been used for thousands and thousands of years. For example, in Ayurveda. An Ayurvedic facial massage is not used to reduce the amount of fat in your face. Therefore you need different lifestyle changes. But it can definitely tone your face muscles because your fascia loosens up. Plus your lymphatic system runs everywhere in your body, also in your face. Your lymphatic system is used by your body to defend itself from illness, infections, toxins, etc. And if you massage your face, you'll stimulate the lymphatic flow, the lymph flow. And by that, you detoxificate your face and the fluids get in motion and you can reduce some of the fluids in your face. By that, you get a defined, a more toned look. And you can target your whole face by massaging in the morning for a few minutes, or you can just massage specific areas that you want to improve. Maybe your cheekbones, your zygomatic bones right here, then you'll push here. And you'll massage the fascia, it'll loosen up, the lymphatic system, detoxification, debloat, and by that you'll improve. But, another but, your face is basically a mirror of everything you do in life. All emotions, all that's on your inside is also visible in your face. If you smile a lot, you get laugh wrinkles, etc, etc. If you always look evil like this, your face will also change over time. And in conclusion, a facial massage can definitely help you maximize your looks. But you shouldn't use it alone or think that this alone will help you to get a super good, super smooth Giga Chat look. You need to do much more. You'll need to reduce your body fat drastically to make your cheekbones, your zygomatic bones really visible. And also you have to balance out your hormones through heavy exercise, good sleep, sunlight, and also fasting. We'll make another video on that. Your whole lifestyle basically comes together in your face and builds your face. And that's where you'll have to work everything and you'll have to look at it as a whole and not a single piece. But I'll definitely recommend facial massage. You can do them with your fingers in specific areas, apply light pressure. It should also relax you, so you reduce your stress, which is also beneficial. Or you can use some kind of healing crystal roller device or even a stick or bamboo. I would use natural materials, and then you roll the areas, your whole face or specific areas, whatever you want to improve. Don't push too hard. Light pressure to activate the lymphatic system and to loosen the fascia. That's it for the video. That was my video about facial massage and zygo pushing and how to maximize your cheekbones. If you have any more questions, leave them in the comments below. Also like the video and don't forget to subscribe. I'm your favorite YouTuber, Maximus Rex. Subscribe or suffer, and we'll see us in the next video.